reality is, like, we're not that far from that. Max Avery sent me an article this morning, which is kind of disturbing. The pace at which AI is progressing, we really only have like maybe 3 years of the civilization as it exists today before it's completely papered over and looks very different. And that's going to be hard for a lot of people to adjust that quickly. If you're not using AI to augment your ability to perform at a high level, I would highly encourage you to start playing with it, start using the LLMs, Claude, ChatGPT and the others. You can do, like, you can vibe code. So if you don't know what vibe coding means, like, how many people, I can't see a raise of hands, but I can imagine here, you've had this awesome idea for an app. You're like, man, if I had like coders and money and I had, $500,000 to be able to spin this up, I'd crush it. I've had those ideas. I know other people have had those ideas. You can now do that without having to spend anywhere near that much money. You can hire a guy off Fiverr to QC your code in whatever code language the AI decides to build it in. You can tell it what you want it to do, and it will build the app for you. The world that we're moving into and how quickly you'll be able to get a product to market and completely disintermediate somebody else. If you know how to market things and the cost to build stuff becomes almost zero, man. Anyway, again, highly suggest that you go check that stuff out. Try to build an app, right? Just even if it's something simple. I think that's a good use of your time, and worst case scenario, you're a little bit more intelligent about this stuff and might be able to use it. So it's coming. And on the other side of that type of economy where we have multiple economies